Hello everyone, welcome back for another car wash video. This time we are in Hamilton on Queenston Street, pretty close to the corner of Queenston and Centennial Parkway, just off the Red Hill Expressway. We are at a Pioneer car wash. I just finished filling up full of gas and purchased the Ultimate Wash, which was $10. You can see a couple of people going through the wash here. It's always a nice visual when they have a lot of glass on the wash. You get to see what it's like. And as you can see, it's a soft cloth touch system. I'm not sure of the make, but we'll soon see when I go inside. For some of you more knowledgeable car wash gurus, you probably already know the make just by looking at it here. But looks like they're doing pretty busy. They have an attendant taking the ticket and that. They gave me a car wash code and that to enter in, but it looks like this gentleman's doing it. I actually came by here yesterday to video this, but there was a whole crew here doing a whole bunch of work on the inside of it, so not sure what needed to be done, but whatever it was, it is done now. So I am going to go over. Alright, give this guy my ticket. Hi, how are you?
How you doing, sir?
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Took my ticket and he folded in my mirrors. Which is interesting. You didn't need to do that. Washes don't bother these at all. Question is he going to go out the other side and unfold them for me? Or am I going to have to stop and get out and do it? Okay. Guiding me on. So this is a really short, when I very first came up on this, I thought, oh, it's a Bellinger system. When I very first came up on this, I thought it was so short, the car wash, I thought maybe it was one of those systems that where you stop and the brushes move around you and that, but it's not. We'll see what type of job it does. So they're starting right out with a bit of a kind of a rinse or a wet down and try foam. There's not really any pre-soak. High pressure spray on the sides of the vehicle. Let's see how these dryers do. it just stopped. Alright, well, the dryers weren't good. My windshield is really wet. I don't know if you can see all the spots and that on it. And, well, let's get out and look. I guess I have a couple of comments on this, but we'll get out. I gotta turn my mirrors around anyways. Oh, he put a bag on my wiper. Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise. So the wash, I mean, it did a good job. I mean, my car was actually fairly dirty. Did a good job. I just, it was so short. The dryers didn't do a good job. The car's still pretty wet. And my other issue is him, he didn't even ask. He just automatically turned in my mirrors. So here's a question. I wonder how many times he has done that, turn in the mirrors, and especially like my other vehicles and that, they I can push a button and bring the mirrors in and out, so it's no big deal. But when I got to get out and change them, and as soon as you get out through the wash, they got a sign saying don't stop, no stopping. So I wonder how many people, especially elderly in that go through there and then they just go out around the road and leave, and then they're driving down the street and realize they have no side mirrors, that they're still turned in. So that could be a bit of a safety issue if they didn't think to find a spot to pull over and flip those. So anyways, that was the first time I've ever experienced that at a car wash. I've been asked several times, but not just where they just gone ahead and did it. Anyways, that is that. It was a quick wash today. If you're a Bellinger car wash fan, then hopefully you enjoyed that. Otherwise, I thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. All right, take care. Bye for now.